Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you just made a sale on Vinted. Now it's time to ship your item properly. So printing your shipping label correctly ensures smooth delivery. Vinted usually provides prepaid labels for support, basically for any support queries there. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually print a shipping label on Vinted, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, you can go through the Vinted app or the Vinted website, it depends on you. Just go, if you are using Android or even iOS, look for the Vinted app, download it, then go log in using your email address and password to access the dashboard. For me, I'm just gonna go through Vinted.com. I'm also gonna log in to my account. Then I'm gonna go through the inbox area here. So open the completed order, then tap download the shipping label. Save the PDF to your device, then open the file and print it. Then attach the label securely to your package. So if you don't have a printer, you can use a local print shop, it's totally fine. Some basically carriers allow the QR code scanning instead, you can use that as well. You can also use a clear tape over the label, but not over the barcodes, so basically they can be able to scan it. Make sure the barcode is fully visible. Then ship your item as soon as possible to maintain good seller ratings. And that's the main idea here. Keep all of these info in mind. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.